When you say artificial intelligence or AI, you might imagine science fiction stories with dystopian societies run by supercomputers or humanoid robots who awaken into consciousness. But regardless of how much or how little we know about it, AI has become part of our everyday lives. But just like any technology, AI can also be used for harmful ends, and it has. As more gadgets, homes, and entire cities become powered by and connected through AI, are the benefits worth the risk? When it comes to human rights, will AI bring more harm than good? What should human rights defenders and other changemakers do about it?
AI, as with a lot of different tools, are good or bad depending on how you use it. In terms of developmental benefits that AI would be able to bring, there are many. For instance, easing traffic congestion, identifying tumors in scans, identify epidemics or disasters before they happen.
Whether the implementation of AI is good or bad depends so much on the context. What are the implications of AI adoption in Southeast Asia? Dr. Tan tells us that there is cause for concern.
Governments using AI for mass surveillance, and this can be done through facial recognition, or this can be done trawling through social media posts and giving alerts when things that they don't like being posted are posted. Right now, one of the things that we should be worried about is deepfakes, where you have very realistic looking video or sound that has been edited, but you don't know that it's been edited.
Social manipulators have used AI to spread disinformation threatening democracies.
Social media usage in Southeast Asia is some of the highest in the world. And normally, this can be a good thing, like for entertainment, for connecting people, but sometimes this can be weaponized. In the case, for example, of disinformation in countries like the Philippines. And worse, like in places like Myanmar, it has been used to spread hatred towards populations.
AI can significantly impact every aspect of everyone's lives, and the people living in Southeast Asia are no different. But when it comes to influencing AI discussions, Southeast Asian voices are rarely, if ever, heard.
Civil society, activists, advocates, changemakers of all sorts, they need to be, first of all, aware of the technology. They need to know how the technology has been used, is being used, and could be used. When they have this knowledge, they can be part of the discussions.
Technology moves really quickly, and we need to know what are the possibilities that are afforded by the technology. And secondly, to actually reach out to the local tech communities and also to reach out to advocacy groups that are operating overseas to work together, to collaborate.
Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool for change. And unfortunately, change affects different people in different ways. For some very powerful people, like authoritarian governments, populists, or rich corporations, they like the status quo to remain. For change makers, however, who want good change to happen, they need to be a stakeholder so that designers, researchers can design and implement these systems, having in mind the ways these affect different parts of the population.